What up? It's Fess here with Drift DJ Industries, here to talk about one of the coolest features in Zero, and that's the external deck system. So let's just jump right in. So with the external deck, Zero can process and generate signals that are perfect for adding hardware into the mix to jam along with your tracks. We can manage all of our external audio signals the same way we would with a traditional DJ mixer. So let's actually run audio from this Roland T8 drum machine into Zero's external deck. Let me show you how to set that up. So first we want to go to the internal mixer screen by holding Shift and hitting Deck 1. So now this is the mixer screen where we could use the jog wheel to scroll over to different ins and outs. So if you choose to, you can route external audio to one of the internal decks, like Deck 1 or Deck 2, and take advantage of the volume fader for both the internal deck playback and that external audio as well. Then you can take advantage of running your external audio through an EQ and the trim control as well. And of course, you have this nice audio visualizer. Cool. So now that that's set up, let's actually just jam out a little bit with this drum machine and some tracks that I have on Zero.
Of energy, frequency, and vibration, 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 vibration,
So another cool thing is that we can also use Zero to generate clock signals based off of whatever our lead tempo is. Let me show you how this is done. So just like with the external audio, let's hold the Shift button and hit Deck 1 to get back to the mixer screen. And if we scroll over to see CLK for clock, that is our clock output. And right now our clock output is set to mono Q plus clock. So what that means is, using the splitter, we could generate a clock signal on one of the outputs, and then with the other, we could use that to be our mono Q output as well if we want to use headphones. In my case, I'm not using headphones right now, so I just have a Eurorack TS cable coming directly out of Q, going into this Oxy 1 here. And if we scroll down, you can see our clock settings here. And you want to reference whatever you want to clock to make sure that you're sending out the right PPQN. I have the Oxy 1 set to 1 PPQN, so let's set this to 1 PPQN. Let's just go down to status and hit our platter. Perfect. So now we could back out of here, and if we go down to our external deck now, we could also just start and stop the clock using the play button. And I still have audio running through here from the modular straight into Zero. So it's neat having the audio visualizer just to be able to visualize my modular running through here. So let's get this sequence going on top of a track. And let's get that looping. So it's pretty neat to be able to send Eurorack clock out based off of my lead tempo coming out of Zero. This can just lead to a lot of cool ideas that you could do with modular and a DJ set right in front of you with Zero. This is something that I've always wanted to do as a DJ and a hardware enthusiast, and it's nice to just have a small device that could play full tracks and just be in sync with my Eurorack and hardware. All right, so that's Zero's external deck system as is right now, but of course there's much more in store. So if you like this video and you want to learn more about Zero, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and check us out at driftdj.com, where you can put in your pre-sale deposit for one of the first Zeros off the line. That's all I got for y'all today. I'm Fess Grandiose, signing off here with Drift DJ. As always, stay safe and keep creating. Peace.